Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure you have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a brand new Google-approved email marketing technology to validate email lists, create inbox-ready emails, and boost your sender reputation, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you're looking to keep your list clean, get higher opens and click rates, detect disposable emails, blacklisted emails, reduce bounces, spam traps, fake and abused email with no third-party dependency, then you're in for a surprise today. But before that, let me turn your attention to this. Are you aware around 14.5 billion spam mails reach inboxes each day, accounting for a shocking 45% of all the emails sent daily? So more than 78% of business owners face the problem of sending emails to bad lists or invalid subscriber addresses that ultimately land up in a spam folder. Ultimately, their autoresponders get banned and they're left fuming for their entire lives. So, it's crystal clear that email list verification is not just necessary, it's compulsory for every business owner today. Now, if you too have been struggling to tap into this huge untapped opportunity and remove all risks associated with it, you need to stop blaming yourself right now. Yes, after 24 months of countless sleepless nights and brainstorming sessions with loads of empty coffee cups, we're superbly excited to present this groundbreaking technology to you. Presenting MarketKit, a brand new Google-approved email marketing technology to validate email lists, create inbox-ready emails, and boost your sender reputation with zero monthly fees forever. MarketKit helps you skyrocket profits at a low one-time cost in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1, log in. Step number 2, upload list. Step number 3, verify list. Here are some more amazing benefits of MarketKit. Verify limitless emails for you and your subscribers with just the click of a button. Create fresh, stunning emails to your list and increase open rates. Create and send amazing articles with your emails and get subscribers hooked. Reduce bounce rates and boost sender reputation like a pro. Battle-tested technology that's trusted by top Fortune 500 companies. Get higher click-through rates and increased commissions from your email marketing campaigns, and much, much more. MarketKit is available now for a one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also get our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock's ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.